What?
The fishing today was amazing. The catching was absolutely awful. In this excursion, I'm testing out the Insta360, which I purchased on the Black Friday. Unfortunately, with my luck, I already scratched one side of the lens. This video will be quick. There was only one fish caught the entire day. However, I got some unique perspectives in the kelp with the Insta360, which you'll see later on. The tide swing was very interesting. High tide was at 11 a.m. and had an immediate drop until 6 p.m. We had planned to go out to Point Loma for some sheep's head, trying different patches both in 30 feet of water all the way out to 75 feet of water, and not a single stinking bite. We decided to call it quits and head into the bait barge in hopes of finding some hungry critters, and only one slimy wrasse was caught. I ended up coming back out the same night after I had got home, so I came back here at 1 in the stinking morning with trout gear and hit the bait barge. So keep an eye out for that video when it appears in your feed.
Tonight call you. I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I could become the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. See you, I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. Gone somewhere and dyed my hair now. Wanna be alone. It's much to bear. Got you in my sight. I keep all the words you said to me. I get you, get you, get you, get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you, get you, get you. Now you'll beg me please. Hey, now I stay away. You were never meant to save me. Now I stay away. I'll hear you say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you. Hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you. Hate I kinda fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you. Hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you. Hate I kinda fell in love with you.
What? What the? Please tell me the camera. Well, on the next YouTube video, how to break a $35 Walmart rod.
Get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you, get you. sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you.
That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next outing.